So welcome guys. Today we are going to discuss IBPS RRB Clerk Prelims Mock Test Paper Explanation. And here we have 80 questions. So the first 5 questions as usual are based on inequalities. So normally in your IBPS RRB or IBPS Clerk or PO you will have one-shot 5 questions from inequalities in reasoning section. So see the first question. So here a statement is given. A statement is given followed by 2 conclusions. P is equal to C is given. P is equal to C. P is equal to C. Is it correct? So we have to come. So C and P. C and P. C and P. If you see, whenever I am moving in this direction, C to P, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to. So I will have C less than or equal to P is the final conclusion. So here C is equal to P, C less than or equal to. C less than P or C is equal to P. So either 1 or 2 is the answer. Either 1 or 2 is the answer. Now second question. W greater than A. W greater than A is equal to S greater than or equal to H less than I less than or equal to N less than or equal to G. So H and W. H and W means like this. So W greater than A is equal to S greater than. So two two inequalities of same group greater equal to. So the priority will be given to greater. So I can say W greater than H is the conclusion. So H less than W is correct. Now G and H. So here to here I am moving. So H less than or equal to less than. So from this I can say H less than G. H less than G means G greater than H. So both are correct. So answer is option E. Option E. Next third question. So C less than O less than or equal to D is equal to S greater than A greater than or equal to P greater than or equal to Q. So QD means here D is equal to S greater than A greater than or equal. So here if you see the highest priority symbol is greater. D is equal to S greater than A. So I can say D greater than Q is the conclusion. D greater than Q means Q less than D. It is correct. C and A. So if you see here less than one group, okay, less than and greater than both are there. So whenever I am coming from here to here, 2 groups are there. One is less than group, the other is greater than. So the relation cannot be established and this second one is wrong. So answer is only one. Only one, option A. Next, F less than or equal to B. F less than or equal to B is equal to I less than or equal to C. A greater than or equal to S greater than E. So S and B. So if you see here, whenever I am traveling from here to here or here to here, I have 2 groups of symbols less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So for this relation can't be established. F and E also same. You have less than and greater than mixed. So you can't establish any relation. So answer is neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2, option D. Next one. For this statement, G less than N. So G and N, this is nothing. So N, so you have equal to, greater equal to, greater equal to. So I can say N greater than G is the conclusion. So G less than N is correct. I is greater than or equal to L. I greater equal to L. So whenever I am going from here to here, here to here, greater equal to, greater equal to, greater. So I can say I greater than L. I greater equal to L is not correct. I greater than L is correct. So this is wrong. So I can say here answer is only one. Only one is correct. Option A. Then next, which of the following following elements is 12th to the left of the one which is 19 from the left, so 19 from the left end of the given arrangement. So you can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it is 19 minus 12, seventh one means it is L. 19 minus 12 it is given, which element is 12 to the left of the one which is 19 from left. So from left to 19th, and from that element 12th one means from the left to it is 7th one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7th one is L. So answer is L. Next, if all the numbers are dropped from the series, which element will be 6 to the left of the one which is 12th from the right end of the new arrangement. So here all numbers are dropped. So this is not there, this is not there, 1 is not there, 6 is not there, 8 and 4 are not there, 9 is not there, and 3, 1 and 4, these are not there. So if all the numbers are dropped from the series, which element will be 6 to the left of the one which is 12th from the right end of the new arrangement? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and from here you require 6th. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is dollar. So answer is option C. Next, how many such symbols are there in the given series which are immediately preceded or followed by a consonant? So how many such symbols? So I can say here R, dollar, I can see, and I can see hash L, and I can see what @N, consonant @N. Then I have which one after @N? I have this one. Okay, which one? Next I have this one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. So I have 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Right, good. Answer is 5. Next, how many such alphabets are there in the given series which are immediately preceded by or followed by a perfect cube? So I can say it is 1 cube. Then I have M8. Then I have 1S. Preceded, how many alphabets are there which are immediately preceded or followed by a perfect cube? So 1, 8 are perfect cubes. So answer is 3. Answer is 3 here. So what would come in place of question mark in the following series based on the above arrangement? So P dollar R, P dollar R, and then hash OL, okay, hash OL, P dollar R, hash OL, then Q6A, then M4H. So we have to leave this one. So after that, E this symbol and N. So you will get option B. Option B as correct. E, this symbol, and 9 will come. So answer is option B. Next. Now question number 11 to 15 are based on puzzle. See here what is given. 8 people, LMNOPQRS, live in a building of 10 different floors. So there is a 10-story building. 2 floors are vacant. So 8 persons are there. 10 floors are there. So 2 floors are vacant. The ground floor is numbered as 1. So now we have to, I think, arrange the people in different floors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the ground floor numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 floors. The floor just above number 2 and so on, not necessarily in the same order. More than 3 persons live between M and O. Between M and O, there are more than 3 persons. More than 3 persons. So it can be more than 3 means 4 or more than that. So more than 3 persons live between M and O. M lives on floor number 9. M lives on floor number 9. R lives immediately above S. R lives immediately above S. N lives on floor number 5. N lives on floor number 5. L lives immediately below vacant floor. L lives immediately below vacant floor. There is a gap of 2 floors between P and O. There is a gap of 2 floors between P and O. Next. No odd numbered floor is vacant. No odd numbered floor is vacant means the vacant floor can be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10. Okay. Next. S lives below P. S lives below P and O. 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 So P and O is like this. Now Q does not live in top floor. Q does not live in top floor. So here you don't have Q. Here you don't have Q. Now from this what you can take. So it is given that there are more than 3 persons. More than 3 persons between M and O. M and O. And what I can take? S is just above R. S is just above. See here. Where can I pick the solution? How can I? More than 3 persons live between M and O. M and O. So definitely M cannot be here. If M is here, if M is already here. So M is already here. M is already here. So more than 3 persons means here definitely O has to be below. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If I take O like this, O like this, then R and S, R and S, R and S are like this. Now it is. We also have one more point. There are two persons between. There are two persons between. What P and O? P and O. P and O. Let us see. Let us. M is here. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, I am taking O here. If I take O here, and S is below P and O. So S and R will come here. S and R will come here. And it is already given that there is a vacant floor. There is a vacant floor above L. Above L. So if I keep L here, then it has to be vacant. If I keep L here, this is vacant. Because the vacant floor is an even floor. So L comes here. Now, what is the remaining thing given? P. Two persons are there between O and P. Between O and P. So I can take two persons here. I can take P here. I can take P here. And Q is not, Q does not live in the top floor. Q is not here. So Q has to be here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 persons are arranged. So it is a vacant floor. This is how we can do. Now, who among the following lives in the ground floor? Who lives in the ground floor? In the ground floor, who lives? Yes. So it is option C. Option C. Next. Who among the following lives on the top floor? Top floor is vacant. So none. Next. How many persons live between N and M? Between N and M, how many persons live? 1, 2. So, because this is vacant, between N and M, we have 2 persons living. Though 3 floors are there, 8th floor is vacant. So, 2 persons are living. So, answer is 2. Answer is 2. Next. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Who among the following does not belong to the group? So ONPSL. ONPSL. Please see here. ONPSL. So other than P, O is in the odd floor, S is in the odd floor, and L is in the odd floor. So ONP, ONSL are in the odd floors. ONSL are in the odd floors, whereas P is in the even numbered floor. So P is different. P is different. So P is different. Next one. Next one. Who among the following lives immediately below P? Immediately below P, who is there? I think it is N. Just now we have done. Immediately below P. Immediately below P, who is there? It is N. So the answer is N. Next. 16 to 20 is one more puzzle. Okay, one more puzzle based on arrangement, sitting arrangement. So earlier one was floor-based puzzle. Now this is a arrangement, sitting arrangement. So 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W are sitting in a row. Some are facing north and some are facing south, but not necessarily the same order. So facing the same direction means if one is facing the north, then the other is also facing north and vice versa. Facing opposite directions means if one is facing north, the other faces south and vice versa. P6, fifth to the right of W. P6, fifth to the right of W. And both of them do not sit at any end of the row. So let me take the possibilities. Total we have 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is given P6 fifth to the right of W, and both of them do not sit at the end of any row. So here we don't have PW, here we don't have PW. Next, two persons sit between R and W. Between R and W, there are two persons. There are two persons. Next, V6 second to the left of R. V6 second to the left of R means, V6 second to the left of R means, it can be like this or it can be like this. V6 second to the left of R. So if R is facing north, then V is second to the left of R. If R is facing south, V is second to the left of R. Next, one person sits between U and V. One person sits between U and V means here you have to get U or here you have to get U. Okay? So, next, T is not an immediate neighbor of R. T is not the immediate neighbor of R means here you don't get T, here you don't get T. Okay? Next, Q6 second to the left of T. Q6 second to the left of T. Q6 second to the left of T means it can be like this or it can be like this. Q6 second to the left of T. S6 to the immediate left of V. S6 to the immediate left of V means it can be like this or it can be like this, according to which they are facing. Immediate neighbors of V face opposite direction. Immediate neighbors of V, so SV, it can be SV or VS. It can be SV or VS. So here you may get S or here you may get S. Immediate neighbors of V. Immediate neighbors of V face opposite direction. U and Q face south. U and Q face south. U and Q face south. When U and Q are facing south, U and Q are facing south, immediate neighbor of Q face opposite direction. Immediate neighbor of Q. Immediate neighbor of Q also face opposite directions. Not more than 4 people face south. Face south. So maximum 4 people can face south. So immediate neighbors of V. Immediate neighbors of V. So immediate neighbors of V here are, in this case, immediate neighbors of V are S and W. S and W. So let us consider S immediate neighbors of V. Immediate neighbors of V face opposite direction. So I am taking V here. Immediate neighbors of V face opposite direction. So then S6 to the immediate left of V. S6 to the immediate left of V. Let me consider V is facing north. So SC is to the immediate left of V and immediate neighbors of V facing south. Facing south. So here immediate neighbors of V are S and W. So S and W are facing south. Are facing south. If they are facing south, if S and W are facing south, now what can be done? S and W are facing south. U and Q also face south. U and Q also face, immediate neighbors of V face opposite direction. Immediate neighbors of V are facing opposite direction. Opposite direction, both are not facing south. One is facing north, the other is facing south. So I am taking S to be north and W to be south. Okay. Then what else? What else we have? Q6, and here if this is the case, RSVW, then I will get U. This is like this. RSVWU. Is it satisfying? Because I have taken this case. RSVWU. So now it is given that there are P6 fifth to the right of W. P6 fifth to the right of W. Whenever they are facing south, this will be right. So where will you get P? P is the first right, second right, third right, fourth right is someone, and then you will have P. You will have P. Okay. So P6 fifth to the right of W, and both of them do not sit at the end of any row. So P is not at the end. So somebody has to be there. Now how many persons are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P is not the end. So somebody has to be here. Somebody has to be here. And then 2 persons in between R and W. It's already done. V6 second to the left of R. V6 second to the left of R. V6 second to the left of R means R is facing south. R is facing south. Next, 1 person sits between U and V. 1 person sits between U and V, that is W, who is facing south. T is not the immediate neighbor of R. T is not the immediate neighbor of R means T won't come here. T is at one extreme. The remaining person is Q. U and Q face south. U is facing south. Q is facing south. So now T is facing north, because not more than already 4 persons have faced south. The remaining person should face north. This is north and this is north. That's it. 1, 2, 3, and P also faces north. That's it. So here PT, SV are facing north, and QRWU are facing south. Who among the following sits to the immediate right of T? Who it is? P. So answer is P. Next, how many persons sit between Q and V? Between Q and V, how many persons are there? Between Q and V, you have 2 persons. R and S. Next, what is the position of W with respect to U? W is immediate right, because they are facing south. U is facing south. So immediate right. Option C. Next, who among the following sits at the extreme end of the row? Who is at the extreme end of the row? You have T and one more person. T and U. T and U are the extreme ends. So what is there in the option? T. How many persons face north? Obviously 4. That's it. Next one, 6 friends, P, Q, R, S, T, U. 6 persons, P, Q, R, S, T, U have different number of coins. The person who has the second highest number of coins has 36. So first, second, the person with second highest number of coins has 36. P has more coins than Q. But not the highest. So before P, somebody who is the highest. Who is highest? S has more coins than R. And R and U. S is greater than R. S is greater than U. but not more than Q. But not more than Q. So Q is more than S. Q is more than, S is greater than R, and S is greater than U also. So whether R is greater than U or not, we have to see. So R has more coins than only one person. Only one person. S should be definitely more than U. S should be definitely, because if U comes here, S will be less than U. So S is greater than R. So S is also greater than U. So R must be greater than U. And the remaining person is who? T. So T has the highest number of coins. And the second person has 36. So P is 36. P is 36. This is the thing. How many coins does T possibly have? T possibly have. So T possibly have how many coins? T greater than 36. T greater than, which is option C. Option C. Possibly. Okay. So because the remaining are not possible. Next, which of the following has third lowest number of coins? Third lowest number of coins is who? It is Q. Third lowest, third lowest, third lowest. Third lowest is who? Third lowest is S. First lowest, second lowest, third lowest. So third lowest is S. Third highest is Q. Third lowest is S. So answer is S. Next, if P and R together have 59 coins, how many coins does R have? P already 36 is given. So R will have 23. R will have 23. Now, next one based on directions. Directions. So Rohan started walking 2 km north. 2 km north. Then takes 3 consecutive right turns and walk distances 3 consecutive right turns. Right turns. First 3 km. Then again right turn. 6 km. Then again right turn. So finally he is here. This is the starting point. This is the final point of Rohan. So it is 6 means it is given as 5. Okay. So this is 3, this is 2, and this is 2, this is 2, this is 4. This is 4. Now what is the position of Rohan's initial point with respect to O? So finally he reached point O. So his initial position is in which direction? It is northeast. It is northeast. Now second, if Rohan walks a distance of 4 kilometers towards north from O, then what is the shortest distance? What is the shortest distance between his new position and his initial position? So if Rohan from final position, if he is moving 4, this is 4. This is 4. Then to reach this, the shortest distance would be how much? This is already 3. This is already 3. So this is 2. This is 2. So he has to travel 2 kilometers to reach his initial point, the starting position. The shortest distance is 2. Now next one. If Karan starts walking from O for 1 kilometer, then what is the direction of Karan? Karan's final position with respect to Rohan's initial position. Rohan's initial position say Karan's position. Karan is starting from O. Karan is starting from O. With respect to this position is what? With respect to this position would be southwest. So answer is southwest. Answer is southwest. Next one. Next one based on blood relations. So it is given that N is the grandfather of L. N is the grandfather of L. Who is the son of E? So N has two children. N has 2 children. N has 2 children. One son and one daughter. One son and one daughter. J is the sister-in-law of E. J is the sister-in-law of E. T is the brother-in-law of S. J is the sister-in-law of J's spouse. J is the sister-in-law. J is the sister-in-law of E. J is the sister-in-law of E means what? E's siblings. E's siblings wife. E's siblings wife is J. J is sister-in-law of E and T is the brother-in-law of S. T is the brother-in-law of S. And T is the brother-in-law of S. Who is the sibling of E? So S is the sibling of E. S is the sibling of E. So J and S. J and S. J is sister-in-law. So minus. So plus. So you can say here the son is S and daughter is E. And J and S are married couple. J minus and E and T are married couple. So N grandfather, N is the grandfather, so plus, and it is given T is the and something is given. Where is that? N is the grandfather of L. Who is son of E? E is son of what? L is son of E. So this married couple son is L. This is the final family tree. So N is the grandfather of L. N has two children, S and E. S is the son, E is the daughter. And next, J is sister-in-law of E and E. And T is the brother-in-law of S. T is the brother-in-law of S. Then, okay, it is done. Yes, and S and E are siblings. T and J has no siblings. T and J has no siblings. Okay, done. How is J related to N? How is J related to N? It is daughter-in-law. Son's wife, daughter-in-law. Next, how is T related to L? How is T related to L? How is T related to L? Father. So second one, it is father. Now next one based on coding. Okay. So now we have to write the codes. Write the codes. No person is good. You have to write the code for all the words. No person is good. No person is good. God is present everywhere. God present everywhere. Then person is already written. Present. Now no is already written. No is already written. But one. God is already written. So now see here. No person is good. Good is there in these two. Good is there in these two. So good is there in these two. Good person. Good person is there in these two. No person. No, 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 no you have here. No you have here. So I can take NO as LO because in these two only only one in these two no one is God, good person, no present. So in this the only common is no, so no I can take as LO. And is God present everywhere. So present is there in these two. Present is there in these two. And is there in these two. So what can be is in these only we have J only is common. In these two is there. In these two only is common. No other is common. Right? So is can be written as J. And good. Good is here. Good is here. So in these two there are so many other common things. So now LO is fixed. and JA is also fixed. LO is fixed, JA is fixed. Now God. God is there here, God is there here. In these two, what is common? KA. So I can take God as KA. Present. Present is there here, present is there here. In these two, what is common? LA. So present is LA. So everywhere is there only here. Everywhere is there only here. So everywhere in this only, the only thing that is available here only is MK. And 1. So already we have LO fixed, KA also fixed. LO fixed, KA fixed. So now what? KA means God and LO means no. So 1 would be RO. 1 would be RO. So now the remaining two are person and good. We cannot say because the remaining thing, see, LA is already fixed. LA is already fixed. LA is fixed. KA is fixed. LO is fixed. LO is fixed. And MO, SA are not fixed. MK is fixed. LA is fixed. RO is fixed. So MO, SA are not fixed. We cannot say which is MO, which is SA. So a person can be MO or SA, or good can be SA or MO. We don't know. So what is the code for no? What is the code for no? No means LO. So answer is LO. Then next. Which of the following is denoted as JA? JA means what? JA means is. JA means is. Next. What is the code for good person? What is the code for good person? Good person, definitely, if one is MO, the other is SA. Good person. These two we cannot say exactly. But good and person, these two we cannot say whether a person is MO or good is MO. But definitely the combination of these two will have MO SA. MO SA. So MO SA combination is there only here. So answer is option D. Answer is option D. Next. KMK. What is K? What is MK? KMK. KMK. MK is everywhere. K means God. Everywhere God. Everywhere God has to be there. So everywhere God means option A. The next, no person is, so what is the code for someone? Someone, the code is what? Someone. 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 Where we have some. Someone. Please see here, what is the code for 1? What is the code for 1? 1 is RO. 1 is RO. RO is present. RO is present here. Okay, this is the answer. Right, next. How many pairs of letters are there in the word schedule which have as many letters between them in the word as in the alphabetical series? So if you see here, alphabets E and D, between them there is no, here also there is no. And H and L, H is 8, L is 12, between them there are 3 in the alphabets, here also you have 3. And with C and E there is 1, C, D, E normally, so you will have 1. So there are 3 such pairs, so answer is 3. Answer is 3. Now next. In the number 7921456238, the positions of the first and last digits are interchanged. Positions of the second and ninth letters are, ninth digits are interchanged. And so on, till the positions of fifth and sixth digits are interchanged. Then which of the digit will be fourth from the right? Fourth from the right. Fourth from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth from the right means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh, see here, these are interchanged. So it would be 8, 7, 3, 9. Then this 2, 2 as it is. 1, 6 will be 6, 1. And 4, 5 would be 5, 4. Okay. Now the question is then which digit will be fourth? Which digit will be fourth from the right end? So what is the answer? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Simply find the odd one out. B, D, E, G, I, J, V, Y, X, Q, S, T, L, N, O. So here B, C is missing D, E. G, H is missing I, J. V, W, X, W has to mix here X, Y. V, so it is different. It is different. Q, R is missing S, T. L, M is missing L, O. So these four are similar. It is different. So option C is different. Now next the questions are based on data sufficiency. 37 to 40 the questions are based on data sufficiency. Let us see. So if the please see question number 37. Among 6 friends A, B, C, D, E and F, who is second heaviest? Who is second heaviest? We will find out. C is heavier than only 2 friends. The first information is given as C is heavier than only 2 friends. Yes or no? No, we have one more question. 37 is this one. Sorry. Sorry, we missed one. In which month? In which month of the year did Abhay go abroad for a meeting? Abhay correctly remembers that he went for a meeting in the first quarter of the year. In the first quarter of the year means it will be January, February or March. Abhay's father correctly remembers that he went for a meeting after 31st January but before 1st March. Before 1st March. So you can say the answer is February. When he has gone, you can say only when you take both the informations. So here, oh no, only with the help of 1 also you can say, with the help of 2 also you can say. Yes or no, only 2 is sufficient here. Am I correct or not? Here it can be in the first information, it can be January, February or March. But with the help of second one, after 31st January, before 1st March. So means it is definitely you can say it is month February. Only 2 is sufficient. Only 2 is sufficient. 1 is not sufficient. 1 is not sufficient. So answer is only 2 means option B. Option B. Next. Among 6 friends A, B, C, D, F, who is the second heaviest? C is, what is given? C is heavier than only 2 friends. C is heavier than only 2 friends. C is heavier than only 2 friends. D is heavier than C but lighter than B. D is heavier than C but lighter than B. Now F is the heaviest. F is the heaviest. D is heavier than C but lighter than B. So F is the heaviest. So now the remaining are E and A. E and A. So about these 2 positions we cannot say who is A, who is E. So it can be ERA, it can be ERA. With the help of only one, can you be able to answer? Who is heaviest you can say. Who is heaviest? Heaviest is F. Now second one. Because it is very clearly that who is heaviest? Who is heaviest? F. Who is second heaviest? B. Because F is greater than B, greater than D, greater than C, it is fixed. And these two places has to be either E or A. A is lighter than only 2 friends. A is lighter than only 2 friends. A is lighter than only 2 friends. Next, A is lighter than only 2 friends. B is heavier than C. B is heavier than C, but lighter than F. So B is lighter than F. So F is heavier than B. F is heavier than B. And what else is given here? D is heavier than E only. D is heavier than E only. D is heavier than E only means like this. There E is the D is heavier than E only. So F is heavier than B. B is heavier than, and between anything, B is heavier than C, but lighter than F. Lighter than F. A is lighter than only 2 friends. A is lighter than only 2 friends. A is lighter than only 2 friends. A is lighter or heavier? A is lighter than only 2 friends means only 2 friends. Means A comes here and C comes here. So F is greater than B, greater than A, and greater than C, greater than D, greater than E. So you can say now who is the second heaviest? B. So only with the help of 1 or only with the help of 2 you can say who is second heaviest. Thereby the answer is either 1 or 2. Only 1 is sufficient or only 2 is sufficient. So any one of these 2 will be sufficient. So answer is option C. Option C. Next. See the 39th one. How many marks did Sumit score in the 50 marks exam? Sumit scored 2-digit marks and his marks was a perfect square. Perfect square. So 2-digit perfect squares are 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. Sumit scored more than 25, but less than 45. Less than 45. So you can say his marks are 36. His marks are 36. By combining these two. So both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2 are required. Finally you can say, conclude the marks of Sumit by combination of these 2 statements. This alone is not sufficient. This alone is not sufficient. And but combining these 2 you can give the marks of Sumit. So answer is option E. Next. Who among A, B, C, D is the tallest? A is taller than B. A is taller than B. Okay. E is not the tallest. E is not the tallest. C is taller than A. C is taller than A. D is not the tallest. D is not the, here E is not the tallest. So C is greater than A, greater than B. C is greater than A, greater than B. The remaining, so C definitely E is not tallest. E is not tallest, and here D is also not tallest. E is not tallest, D is not tallest. So definitely E and D will come after C only. After C only. So you can say who is tallest? Who among the A, B, C, D is tallest? You can say C is tallest by combining these 2. By combining these 2. For example, if second information is not there, then you cannot say that E is tallest because this information is not known. But by combining these 2 informations, we can say A is greater than B, E is not tallest, and C is taller than A, D is not tallest. So D and E are not tallest. So D and E are not in front of C. So definitely C has to be tallest. E and D must be after C only. After C only. So answer is both 1 and 2 are required. So option E. Option E is the answer. Next. So first 40 questions based on reasoning we have done with. Now next questions based on quant 41 to 80. First 41 to 45 are based on simplifications. Please see here 510 divided by some x plus root 324 is 18, root 256 is 16. I think the question is wrong. Here there should not be plus. Here it has to be equal to. 510 is equal to 510 by x is equal to 34. So x should be how much? 510 divided by 34. So answer is 15. Please correct it. It is not 510 by question mark plus. It is 510 by question mark is equal to sum of these two. So sum of these two is 34. 34 15, so answer is 15. Next. 2 power how much plus 2? So if you see here, what is the answer you are going to get? 2 power some x plus 2 is equal to 32 divided by 1024 into 128 by 8 into 128. This is the thing. So if you see here, it is 2 power 5, 32 times. 32 4 times. 4 2 times. 2 64 times. 64 means 2 power 6. X plus 2 is 6. So x is 4. X is 4. Next. How much square is equal to 55% of 440? 55% of 440 is how much? 50% 220 plus 22. 220 plus 22 is 242. Minus 18% of 345. 80% means what? For 100% minus 20%. 20% is 69. 345 minus 69. 345 minus 45 is 300. 300 minus 24 is 276. Plus 2 into 49 is 98. So now the what is the answer? 242 plus 98 is 340. 340 minus 276. 340 minus 276 is 64. So x is 8. X is 8. X square is 64, so x is 8. Calculations have to be fast. Now 209 divided by 399 divided by 399 into 21 square into 21 square into 21 square minus 11 square minus 11 square. So 21 square directly I am writing as 441. 21 square I am directly writing as 441 minus 11 square is how much? 121. So it is okay. 21 19s are 21 19s are 21 21s are. Now 19 11s are 209. So 11 21s are 231. 231 minus 121. 231 minus 121 is 110. So answer is 110. Next, 86 into 5 plus 26 into 11 minus 22 into 13. So here it ends with 0, it ends with 6, it ends with, so you have two options. So I can go with the digital sum here. If I go with the digital sum, so what I am going to get? 8 plus 6, 14 means 5, 5 into 5, 25, 25 means 7. Here the digital sum is 7. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 means 7. Next 2 to 4, 4 into 4, 16, 7. So the digital sum of the answer must be 7. So A is not the answer, B is not the answer, C is the answer. So answer is option C. Option C. Because 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 430. The digital sum matching. Now next. 46 to 50. 46 to 50. Please see the data. There are 900 students. There are 900 students in school X. They like two Indian cricket players, either Virat Kohli or MS Dhoni. The ratio of the girls like MS Dhoni, the ratio of the boys to girls like MS Dhoni is 13:7. In boys liking is 13x, girls liking Dhoni is 7x. Boys liking Dhoni is 13x, girls liking Dhoni is 7x. This is in school X. School X. And total number of boys like Virat Kohli is 30 less than the total number of girls like MS Dhoni. So this is liking Dhoni. Now Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli would be how much? The total number of boys like Virat Kohli is 30 less than total number of girls like MS Dhoni. This is boys liking, this is girls liking. Similarly, Virat Kohli boys liking is 30 less than Dhoni girls liking. Similarly, and the remaining. So it will be how much? The total number of boys like Virat Kohli is 30 less than the total number of girls like MS Dhoni. Total number of girls like MS Dhoni, girls like Virat Kohli would be 60 less than boys like Virat Kohli. Boys like Virat Kohli is 7x minus 30, 60 less. Means 7x minus 30 minus 60. 7x minus 90. 7x minus 90. He is about Dhoni. He is about Virat Kohli liking. So all together is how much? 900. So 13x plus 7x. 20x. Yes or no? 20x plus 7x. 27x plus 7x. 34x. Minus 90 minus 30 minus 120 is equal to 900. Sum of all these is 900. So from this I will get 34x is 1020. So I will get x as 30. If x is 30, then this would be 13 into x. 13 into 30, how much? 390. 7 into 30, how much? 210. And this would be 7 into 30, 210 minus 8 minus 30. 210 minus 30 is 180. And 210 minus 90 is 120. Okay. So 390, 210, 180 and 120 are the figures. Now find the difference between total number of boys like MS Dhoni. Total number of boys like MS Dhoni is 390. And total number of boys like Virat Kohli is 180. What is the difference of those two? It is 210. 210. So answer is option A. Answer is option A. Then next, find the ratio of the total number of girls like MS Dhoni and total number of girls like Virat. So total number of girls like Dhoni is 210. Total number of girls like Virat is 120. So 210 by 120. It is 210 divided by 120. So it is 0, 0 cancel. 3 7s are, 3 4s are. 7 is 2, 4 is the answer. Now next. Total number of boys like MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli together is what percentage more than total number of girls like MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli together? So total number of boys like Dhoni and Virat Kohli together 390 plus 180 570 and 210 plus 120 330. So 570 is how much percentage more than 570 is greater than 330 by how much percent? Difference 240 by base value into 100. Difference by base value into 100. So what we are going to get here? 0 0 cancel. 0 0 cancel. So 3 8s are, 3 11s are. 3 8s are, 3 11s are. So 1 by 11 is 100 by 11 is 9 1 by 11. 8 into 9 1 by 11. So 72 8 by 11. 72 8 by 11 is the answer. 72 8 by 11 is the answer if you simplify this. Next. In school Y, the given data is about school X. Now in the question is asked about school Y. Number of boys like MS Dhoni. Number of boys like MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli is 133.33% and 175% more than total number of girls like MS Dhoni and what Virat Kohli in school X respectively. So in school Y, Dhoni liking boys liking Dhoni and boys liking Virat Kohli. Boys liking Virat Kohli. It is 133.33% more, means 233.33% of girls in school X. Girls, how many are liking? How many girls are liking Dhoni in school X? Already we calculated. How much it is? 210. 210. Okay. Similarly, it is 175% more. So it would be liking is 275% of girls liking Virat. Girls liking Virat is 120. Girls liking Virat is 120. So this figure is how much? Double 420 plus 1/3 70, which is 490. And it is how much? Double 240, 15% 60, and uskar 50% 30. So it is 330. 330. Now what is asked here? The question asked here is find the difference. Find the 490 minus 330. Am I correct? 240 plus 240 plus. Am I correct or not? What is asked here? Finally, what is the question asked? Find the difference between total number of boys like MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli together in school X. Okay, 490 plus 330 is how much? 820. 490 plus 30 is 820. It is total number of boys like in what? School Y. So total number of boys like MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli together in school X and Y. So in school X, if you see 390 plus 180, it is 570. 390 plus 580, 180 is 570. In X, it is 570. In Y, it is 820. So 820 minus 570 is how much? 250. 250 is the answer. Okay. Now next, find the average number of boys and girls like MS Dhoni. So find the average number of boys and girls like MS Dhoni. So 390 boys and 210 girls like. Average will be divided by 2. So 600 by 2, how much? 300. So answer is 300. Answer is 300. Now next, please see here. Here it is given. What is given here? The pie chart is given. The pie chart, some data is given in the absolute value while some in percentage. So this value is given in absolute value. This value is in absolute value. The remaining are percentage. The total is 100%. So 9 plus 20, 29. 29 plus 24, 53. 53 plus 15, 68. So here I can say 68% plus sum of these two. 462 plus 594. 462 plus 594 is 1056. The sum of these two is 100%. Thereby 100 minus 62, 68, 32% is 1056. 1056. So from this 32 to 33 is 1056. So 100% would be how much? 3300. So this total value is 3300. 3300. Now the question number 1. Find the central angle of girls in school B. Of girls in school B. Girls in school B is 594 out of 3300 in 360 degrees. The total is 360 degrees. 594 by 3300 into 360. How much we are going to get? So here How much? 1 0, 1 0 cancel. So it is divisible by 3. 3 12s are 3 12s are 3 1 10s are. Again cancellation with 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 again divided by 2, 55s are. I think it is divisible by 11. 11 10s are, 11 54s are. And 2 5s are, 2 27s are. Now it is how much? 5 into 2.4. 5 into 2.4. So answer must end with 8. So answer is 64.8. 64.8 degrees. Next. Total number of girls in school D. Total number of girls in school D is how much? 24%. 24%. So 24 percentage would be 24 into 13.3. 24 33 is 792. 720 plus 17 792 is how much more than school E? School E is how much? 462. 792 minus 462 is 330. So answer is option C. Next, find the total number of girls in A and D together. A 20%, C 15%, 35%. So it is 35 into 33. A and D. A and D. 20 plus 24. How much? 44. 44%. So 44% would be how much? 44 into 33. 44 into 33 means it is 1320. 1320 plus 132. So answer must end with 2. So it is 1452. 1452. Next. Now the ratio of the number of girls and number of boys in the school is 9:8. 9:8. Find the total number of students in school F. School F. In school F. So the data shows for girls. The given data shows number of girls for different schools and 9%. So in the school F, girls would be 9%. So 9 into 33. 9 into 33. Okay? 9 into 33. And girls and boys. Girls and boys. So here it is given that the ratio between girls and boys is in the ratio 9:8. So if this 9 is 9 into 33, this 8 would be 8 into 33. 8 into 33. So total number of students would be girls plus boys. If I take 33 common plus from these two, 9 plus 8. 33 into 17. So answer must end with 1. So answer is 561. Answer is 561. Next. Total number of girls in school C is what percentage less than total number of girls in school A? So C is 15, A is 20. 15 is less than 20. 5 by 20 into 100%. So 1/4 means it is 25%. So answer is option B. Next, approximations. 56 to 60 are the questions based on approximations. So 40, it is approximately 40%. So 40% of 240 plus 21 into 9 is equal to 19 into how much is the question. 40% of 240 is 96. 40% of 240 is how much? 96. Plus 21 9s are 189 is equal to 19 into x. So our x would be 189 plus 96 is 285. Is how much? 285 divide by 19. So 19 15s are 19 ones are 19 95. So answer is 15. Answer is 15. Next, how much into 24.9? So 24.9 taking as 25. 899 by 89 is very close to 900. 900 under root is 30 plus 120. 150 by 25, x is 6. Next, it is 250 by 165 into 180 by 75 into 121 by 20. So 29s are 180. Now you can say 25 3s are, 25 10s are, and it is 11 15s are, 11 11s are, and 15 3s are 45, 42s are 90. So 11 into 2, 22 is the answer. So answer is 22. Next, 5 power how much? 125, 5 cube into 500. 500 means how much? 500 means 5 cube into 2 square divided by 99.99 means 100. 100 means it is 5 square into 2 square. Divided by means again it comes here only. 25 means 5 square. So 2 square cancel. So 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 2 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So x is 2. X is 2. Next, 16% of 720. So 16% of 720 plus 45% of 960 is equal to 89.99%. 90% of x. So if you see here, what I am doing is, so this one I am taking as what? Everywhere this 30, 32, 30, here I am taking 3 outside, here 2 I am taking inside. When I am taking 3, here it is 3 into 240. So see here very clearly I am saying what I am trying to say is, if you cannot do like that, then simply cancellation with 91 times. So here 45 is there, here 2, how much? 480 times. So 45 into 2, 90. So 90 cancel. Now here 3 is taken, here 30 is taken. So here I have 240, here I have 240, here I have 2. So here also I will have 480. So I can say now percentage is cancelled. Percentage is cancelled throughout. Throughout percentage is cancelled. And 480 plus 480, 960. So x is 960. X is 960. So answer is option D. The way you see the question, it is important. The next 5 questions are based on series. Missing term. 15, 35, 15, 35, 45, 55, 70. So what is the logic here? So see here, 15, 35, 45, 55, 70, 70, then missing term. So definitely the increase is slow. So I will take addition series plus 20, plus 10, plus 10, plus 15. So what has to be the next difference? If you see the differences here, the differences 10 becomes 15 into 1.5. 10 becomes 10 into 1. 20 becomes 10, means become half. So the multiplication factor are 0.5, 1, 1.5, then it is 2. 15 into 2. So this difference has to be 30. 70 plus 30 is 100. So answer is 100. Okay. So the other way you can also think Later you do it later. Now next, missing term 12.7, 4.6, 1.9, 1, 0.7. So 12.7, 4.6. What is different? What is difference? 8.1. 4.6, 1.9. Difference 2.7. 1.9, 1. The difference is 0.9. 1, 0.7. It is 3. So now what has to be in this difference? If you observe here, 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5 is 243. 243 means one decimal place is there, so 243. So this is always 8.1 becomes 2.7. So divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So in this way into 3. 8.1 into 3 is 24.3. So the difference between these two has to be 24.3. So this value has to be 12.7 plus 24.3, which is 37. 37. So answer is 37. Next. 497, 466. Difference is 31. Here difference is 29. Here difference is 23. So what are these? 31, 29, 23 are the prime differences. Next prime is 19. 414 minus 19. 414 minus 19 will be 395. The difference are primes. 414 minus 19. 395 is the answer. Next. 16, 7, 5, 7, 24. So 16, 7, 5, 7, 24. Then missing term. If you see here, what is the observation? What is the observation? Definitely there is a 7 suddenly becomes 24. 5 becomes 7. 7 becomes 5. 16, 7. 16 into 0.5. 8 minus 1. 7 into 1. 7 minus 2. 0.5 becomes 1. This 1, this 2. So 0.5, 1. 5 into 2. 10 minus 3. 7 into 4. 28 minus 4. Similarly here, 0.5 becomes 1, 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4 means 4 has to become 8. Differences, after minus 1, 2, 3, 4, it has to be 5. 24 8s are 192. 192 minus 5 is 187. So answer is 187. Next, missing term 60, 39, 66, 33 and 72. So what is the observation here? You can say 60, 66, 66, 72. So here there is a alternate difference of 6, 39, 33. So it is minus 6. So here it has to be minus 6. Something minus 6 has to be 39. So the answer is 45. Answer is 45. 45 minus 6 is 39. Next question, 66 to 70. 66 to 70. What are those questions? Those questions are based on simplification. So in this paper we have more questions on simplification approximation. 15 square is 225. So 225 plus x square, 24, 22 jar. 24 plus 2, 26, 520, 528. 528 plus 23 6 are 138. So 528 plus 138. 528 plus 138 minus 225 is x square. 8 plus 8, 16 minus 5, 1. So what is the value? Finally you are going to get 528 plus 135 plus 1, 6 minus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, how much? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 2, 3. So I am getting 4, I am a correct or not? 528 plus 138. So I am going to get how much? How much I am going to get here? 441. 441, am I correct? Because 5 plus 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 400. Then 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2 is 30, 430. 8 plus 8, 16 minus 5 is 11. 30 plus 11, 41, 441. So x is here 21. 21 square is 441. So x is 21. Now, next. So see here, 2 power 5 is 32. 32 plus 312 is 344. 344. Question mark, x has to be 4 power 5 is 1024. Minus 17, 5 are 85. It is 344. If you see the last digit 4 minus 4 cancel. 10 minus 5 is 5. In everywhere you have 5 only. And see the digital sum. Digital sum here 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 means 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11 means 2. So 7 minus 6, the 1 digital sum where we have. This is not the answer. So 595. 595, is it satisfying? 595, is it satisfying? Yes. 595 is satisfying the digital sum. Directly here also you can do. Okay. So the answer, the digital sum is satisfied for option C. So option C is correct. Next. 55% of 320 plus 88% of 400. So here also you can check the digital sum. Check the digital sum. 5 plus 5, 1. 1 into 5, 5. Here digital sum is 5. Here 8 plus 8, 16 means 7. 7 into 4, 28. 28 means is 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 you have where? Here 9 cancel. Here it is not 6. So option A is not the answer. Then if you see 4 plus 8, 12 is 3. It is 8. 5 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 8. Am I correct or not? 5 plus 5 is 10. 1. 1 into 5. 5. Here 1. Here 5. 8 plus 8. 16 means 7. 7 4 28. 28 means 1. 5 plus 1 6. Where you get 6 here? 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 8 15. 15 means 6. So answer is 528. Without doing the regular method, I am explaining with the help of digital sum. So if you want to do with the procedure, 55% of 320. 160 plus 16. 176. 116 plus 16 is 176 plus 88% of 400 is 400% of 88. 400% means 4 times. 4 times of 88 is 352. So combination sum of these two will give you 528. So answer is 528. Next one. So see here, square root of how much? 12 square 144. 144 plus 26 170. 170. 170. 12 square 144. 144 plus 26. 170. 170 minus 162. 170 minus 162 is root 8. So how much you are going to get? Root x is equal to root 8. So x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 is the answer. Next, how much divided by 27? So x divided by 27 into 48 is equal to 288 divided by 18 into 9. So if you see here, it is how much? 9 2 ja, 9 3 ja, 3 16 ja, 16 18 ja. So 2 9 ja, 9 9 ja, 81. So answer is 81. Answer is 81. Next. Now the questions based on Word based questions we have entered into. So B's age 8 years ago is 16% more than A's age 8 years ago. A's age 8 years ago. So B's age 8 years ago. Present age of B is B. 8 years ago, it is B minus 8. 16% more, 116%. So 1.6 times of A's age 8 years ago. The ratio between the present ages of A and B is 3:4. If it is 3 parts, it is 4 parts. So from this one you can do, it is what you can bring out. What is the relation you can bring out? Please see here. What I am doing is 1.68. So I am multiplying this with 5. This with 5 on both sides. Thereby 5b minus 40 is equal to 8a minus 40. 8a minus, how much is this? I am multiplying this 40 now. I am multiplying this with how much? 5. 5 into 1.68. 8 8 are 64. So now I will get 8a minus 5b is equal to 24. Is equal to 24. Now it is already known that A is to B is 3:4. 3:4. So if A is 3 parts, B is 4 parts. 8 into 3, 24. 24 parts minus 5 into 4, 20 parts is 24. So 4 parts 24. So 1 part is 6. 1 part is 6. And find the B's age 4 years hence. B after 4. After 4 years would be B plus 4. And B is 4 parts plus 4. 4 parts plus 4 is 24 plus 4, which is 28. Which is 28 years is the answer. Next, if the ratio between volume of cylinder and volume of sphere. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. It is given as 3:1. 3:1. From this what you can do? This what will happen? Pi cancel. So r square will cancel. 1 r will remain. So this will become 3/4. 3/4 means 3 cancel. So h by r, I will get h by r as 4:1. 4:1. So it means h is equal to 4r. H is equal to 4r. Now what is asked here? Find the ratio between total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. To total surface area of a sphere. Total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So what is the ratio of these two? So 2 pi r, h is 4r plus r divided by 4 pi r square. So pi cancel. So now here is how much? 4r plus r. Am I correct or not? So one, I think what you are going to get here, 2 pi r into h plus r. H is already 4r. 4r plus r is 5r. 5 r's. So you are going to get here 4r. 2 1s are 2, right? 2 2s are 4. So 4r plus r, 5r, 5r square divided by 2r square. So I am going to get the ratio as 5:2. 5:2. This is the curved surface area of a cylinder. Total curved surface cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder. This is the total surface area of a sphere. This ratio is asked. Okay. This is the volume of a cylinder by volume of a sphere. It is given. So the answer is 5:2, 5/2. Now X-men working for X minus 2 days. While X-men can complete a work in X minus 2 days. While X minus 10 men can complete the same work in
2x days. So always m into d is equal to constant. So x into x minus 2 would be x minus 10 into 2x. So from this what I will get, x can cancel. So x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 20. So from this I will get x as 18. X as 18. So 2x minus x as minus 2 plus 20, 18. So x is 18. X is 18 means now how many days? X minus 6 men can complete half of the work. So the total work, x men in x minus 2 days. 18 16s are 288. This is the total work. Okay? Total work is 288 and half of that 288 by 2. How much? 144. This 144 units of work is done by x minus 6. X minus 6 means 18 minus 6 in how many days? So D is equal to 144 by 12, which is 12 days. Which is 12 days. So answer is 12. Answer is 12. Now next. A container contains 60 liters of milk and 40 liters of water. How much quantity of water should be added to this mixture so that the shopkeeper sells the mixture of container at the cost price of the milk? At the cost price of the milk, then he will earn 150% profit. 150% profit. So here, if you see what is the ratio that the container contains. So what is the ratio here? 3:2. 60, 40. Ratio is 3:2. So the total container contains 5 liter. 5 liter. So in that, on selling the mixture, the retailer earns a profit of 150%. A profit of 150%. So the total mixture is 5 liters. So he has to have milk 2 liters, and water 3 liters. Because he is adding water at free cost. 2 liters milk. And the profit is water. The profit is whatever the water is adding. If 2 liters is milk, 150% has to be profit. 150% of 2 is 3. So he has to add 3 liters of water. So what does it mean? So how much quantity of water should be added in the container so that the shopkeeper sells the mixture of container at the cost price, the ratio of the cost price of milk, then he will earn 150% profit. So milk and water. Milk and water finally should be in the ratio of 2:3. 2:3. When after adding water, initially you have 60 milk and 40 water. To this you are adding some water. Thereby the ratio becomes 2:3. So 2 parts is 60. So 3 parts must be 90. So X has to be 50 liter. X has to be 50 liter. Otherwise simple thing. You can do like this. Right. A box contains 12 red, 6 green and X yellow balls. The probability of choosing one green ball out of the box is 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So one green ball, choosing one green ball is 6C1 divided by 12 plus 6 plus X C1. The probability of choosing a green ball is sample space is this much and favorable outcomes is this much, and this is given as 2 by 9. 6C1 is 6, 12 NC1 is N, 12 plus 6, 18 plus X is 2 by 9. If I simplify this, I will get X as 18. I will get X as 18 by 2, which is 9. I will get X as, if 2 parts is 6, then 9 parts has to 27. So X is 9. Now what is the question? Find the probability of choosing one ball which can either be red or yellow. Either be red or yellow. So either it can be red, so it is 12C1, or yellow. How many yellow balls? 9C1 by 12 plus 6, 18 plus 9, 27C1. So how much you are going to get? 12 plus 9, 21, 21 by 27. So it is 3 7s are 3 9s are. So answer is 7 by 9. Answer is 7 by 9. Next, a train of length 180 meter crosses a platform in 15 seconds with a speed of 60 km per hour. A man crosses the same platform in 4 minutes. Find the speed of the man. Find the speed of the man. So here see what is given. The speed of the train. The speed of the train is how much? The speed of the train. A train of length 180 meter crosses a platform in 15 seconds with a speed of 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. So 60 km per hour is the speed of the train. Auto speed of the train. If I convert this into meter per second, 60 into 5 by 18. So how much I am going to get here? 3 6 are. How much 6 3s are? 6 10s are. So 50 by 3. 50 by 3 meters per second is the speed of the train in, and it is given that the train crosses a platform in 15 seconds. So the distance covered by the train in 15 seconds is 50 into 50 by 3, which is how much? 250 meter. 250 meter. And it is given that the train length is how much? 180 meter. So length of the platform would be, the distance travelled is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform. Length of the platform would be 250 minus 180, which is 70. Now what is asked? A man crosses the same platform in 4 minutes. So platform length is how much? 70. So a man crosses the platform. So now what is the speed of the man? Speed of the man. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Distance when a man crosses the platform is the length of the platform, which is 70. And time is 4 minutes. So 4 into 60. 60, which is 70 by 4 into 60 meters per second. Convert this into kilometer per hour. Thereby you will get 5 14s are and 6 3s are, 6 10s are. So 4 into 3.5. 3.5 into 3, 10.5. 10.5 by 10, which is 1.05. 1.05 kilometer per hour. So 1.05 kilometer per hour is the answer. Next, what is the 80% of a number whose 3 by 7th is? So 3 parts is 60. 7 parts is 3 into 20 is 60. 7 into 20 is 140. That number is 140. 80% of 140 is what? Is 112. So answer is 112. Next, find the number of ways to arrange the letters of the word education. So all are different, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 things in 9 places can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. Okay, 9 factorial is the answer, option. What is the probability of finding a red card or a queen? Red card or a queen? So red card, how many red cards are there? From a pack of 52 cards. So here the total number of outcomes is 52C1. Finding a red card, 26C1, or a queen card. How many queens will be there? 4 queens. And how many? There are some red cards which are twin torsos. So 26C1 26, 4C1 4 minus 2C1 2 by 52. 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 is 28. 28 by 52. So 4 7s are 4 13s are. So answer is 7 by 13. If Bhavya's income is 20,000 rupees, then he saves X rupees. Okay? If his salary is 35,000 rupees, at what percentage his saving increase such that saving percent neither increase nor decrease. So here initially the percentage saving. So he is saving how much? X rupees out of 20,000 into 100 would be the percentage saving. So it is nothing but X by 200 percentage. So saving percentage is not changed when the salary also when the same if his salary is 35,000 rupees. What is given? If his salary is 35,000 rupees, at what percentage his saving increase such that his saving percentage neither increase nor decrease. So new salary is 35,000. New salary is 35,000. Okay? New salary is 35,000. On 35,000, there is the same X by 200 percentage. X by 200 percentage increase. So it becomes how much? 4 zeros, 3 zeros cancel. And 7 by 5x. 7 by 4. 7 by 4x. So initially his saving is X. Finally the saving is 7 by 4x. Thereby 7 by 4x minus X by X into 100. So X will get cancelled. Finally 7 by 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 75%. So answer is 75%. Answer is 75%. That's it. So this is today's paper explanation. And in the next session, we will come up with the next paper explanation. Okay? Thank you.